Hello everyone! Welcome to Review Infinite, the best product review channel on YouTube today. Today we're here again with another list of 5 best products on the market. These reviews are based on thousands of customer reviews and positive ratings. All the products are available on Amazon, and we listed down their Amazon links in the description. Check them out for their best prices and to know which one is best suited to your needs. So, cheers with the best one!
Hi, welcome to the Arrow Workshop. Today we're going to show you how to clear a jam from the T50 AC electric staple and brad nail gun. First, unplug the power cord from the power source and make sure the power switch is in the off position. Next, you need to turn the tool over, then release the magazine by pressing down on the black tab and pulling it open. Then clear the jam with a screwdriver. Make sure all staples have been removed from the magazine. Insert a full strip of staples into the magazine. Slide the magazine closed until it locks in place. Make sure the tool is plugged in and the power is in the on position. And now you can get back to work.